Okay, this is a Nissan Versa 2012 with manual door locks. I put in an aftermarket alarm. I forget the brand of it. But basically, it's really hard to lock these doors because they're cable instead of rods. It looks like a lot of manufacturers are doing this. So, see, unlock, lock. I did all 4 doors the same way. Basically, I bought these aftermarket actuators, ran the wires down to the alarm system. Had to add an aluminum plate to have somewhere to mount it. It's 2 screws in the back, and then 2 screws into the door panel. And the complicated section is inside the handle. I had to drill a hole and add a piece of aluminum to have it pivot on. So when you go like that, it moves the actuator because there's no rod. It's been working great for a year or 2. This motor just burned out. This is the second time one of these cheap, like $4 actuators burned out, so I'm going to buy some more. Some different brand. These ones aren't lasting very long, but other than that, it's a good way to convert the Versa to power door locks.